First reading, Daniel chapter 7 verse 9 to 10, 13 to 14. I beheld till thrones were placed, and the Ancient of Days sat. His garment was white as snow, and the hair of his head like clean wool, his throne like flames of fire. The wheels of it like a burning fire. A swift stream of fire issued forth from before him, thousands of thousands ministered to him, and 10,000 times 100,000 stood before him. The judgment sat, and the books were opened. I beheld therefore in the vision of the night, and lo, one like the Son of Man came with the clouds of heaven, and he came even to the Ancient of Days, and they presented him before him. And he gave him power, and glory, and a kingdom, and all peoples, tribes, and tongues shall serve him. His power is an everlasting power that shall not be taken away, and his kingdom that shall not be destroyed. Psalms chapter 97 verse 1 to 2, 5 to 6, 9. For the same David, when his land was restored again to him. The Lord hath reigned, let the earth rejoice, let many islands be glad. Clouds and darkness are round about him, justice and judgment are the establishment of his throne. The mountains melted like wax, at the presence of the Lord, at the presence of the Lord of all the earth. The heavens declared his justice, and all people saw his glory. For thou art the most high Lord over all the earth, thou art exalted exceedingly above all gods. Second reading, 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 16 to 19. For we have not by following artificial fables, made known to you the power, and presence of our Lord Jesus Christ, but we were eyewitnesses of his greatness. For he received from God the Father honor and glory, this voice coming down to him from the excellent glory, this is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased, hear ye him. And this voice we heard brought from heaven, when we were with him in the holy mount. And we have the more firm prophetical word, whereunto you do well to attend, as to a light that shineth in a dark place, until the day dawn, and the day star arise in your hearts. Gospel, Matthew 17, 1 to 9. And after 6 days Jesus taketh unto him Peter and James, and John his brother, and bringeth them up into a high mountain apart. And he was transfigured before them. And his face did shine as the sun, and his garments became white as snow. And behold, there appeared to them Moses and Elias talking with him. And Peter answering, said to Jesus, Lord, it is good for us to be here. If thou wilt, let us make here 3 tabernacles, one for thee, and one for Moses, and one for Elias. And as he was yet speaking, behold, a bright cloud overshadowed them. And lo, a voice out of the cloud, saying, This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased, hear ye him. And the disciples hearing, fell upon their face, and were very much afraid. And Jesus came and touched them, and said to them, Arise, and fear not. And they lifting up their eyes saw no one but only Jesus. And as they came down from the mountain, Jesus charged them, saying, Tell the vision to no man, till the Son of Man be risen from the dead.